this is Andrea here.
And the other, Jesus.
Howdy,
And the other Andrea, howdy, Jesus.
Howdy.
Hey guys, this is the other Andrea. Holy crap, sorry about that.
Okay. Welcome to the classic Happy Planner Plan with me.
Holy crap, how many years has it been? It's been like 2 years since the classic Happy Planner for us.
I can snap one hand.
Why are you snapping?
Just one hand.
Why are you one snapping?
I'm one snap.
No, why? Show them your planner already.
Alright, it's an 18-month planner.
It is the Happy Planner / Wrong collaboration.
Wrong. This says, welcome to your new Happy Planner. I have already been in and out of this. I love it already.
Not sure what that meant, but okay.
This says, glitter is always an option, which is cute. I don't wear glitter or anything like that.
But it's always an option. That's what they're telling you.
Yeah, it is an option that you have.
Look at the discs. Look at the multicolored
I love the discs. They're pink and white.
No, they're purple and white.
Purple and white. That's pink over here. That's purple right there.
She can do colors, y'all.
You guys can watch me put my name on here.
Oh, goodness.
Andrea
You should have put the coach on.
Jackson, if you ask me.
No, if you're nasty.
I know I didn't want to say that.
I like the cheetah print.
I do like the cheetah print too. Cheetah print.
Cheetah print.
Cheetah print.
Cheetah print.
Cheetah print.
Cheetah print.
This is the whole year.
This is going to be a slow-going video. Hurry up, Mom.
Girls just want to have sun instead of fun, right?
No.
I'm not really into sun.
No, I'm not into sun either. So
Yeah.
girls just want to have moon and sleep.
This is for July 2019, which is what we're going to work on.
Which is the month we're in.
This is the month that we're in. I put a little
Doohickey.
doohickey, yeah.
Note page.
A note doohickey.
A note hickey.
A note hickey.
Yes.
So we are going to work on July 1st
Through the 7th.
through the 7th.
And happy July 4th, y'all. That is tomorrow.
Happy July 4th, everybody.
That is tomorrow, and we are celebrating by not going anywhere, which is the best part.
Yeah, we like to stay home and relax and watch the fireworks and stuff from our backyard.
Or on TV, even better.
Yeah, I don't even
don't
watch
get
it on TV.
I don't even watch it.
Yeah.
So
with Drea
But we did our fireworks.
Drea made a new kit.
yes.
This is called
Independence.
Independence.
Because I couldn't think of anything else. Or patriotic.
It comes with this glitter header
Sheet that matches the colors of the kit.
Then you
And
get this full boxes. 2, 4, 6, 8 of them.
And then you get 8 full box checklists.
More full boxes.
No, full box checklists, they are different.
2, 4, 6, 8.
I just said there were 8. Oh my God. Then you get functional sheet 1, which has your days of the week, your checklists, your washi, and what?
A couple little boxes.
Appointment labels. She does not know.
I don't know.
Then you have your header sheet, which is your functional sheet 2, with your icons and your bill trackers and your habit tracker and your little things.
Little things and stuff.
And then you have your functional sheet 3, which is boxes, and habit trackers, and weekend baby.
Weekend baby. Boop, 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 boop.
Oh, there's one more sheet, isn't there?
No, that was it.
Oh, okay. I don't know how to.
So you get in this kit,
6 sheets
you get a total of 6 sheets,
for $12.
and they are on sale for $12. And if you're new to her her Etsy account, click on favorite the store, and you'll get a coupon.
Yes, a thank you coupon for favoriting the store.
And so you save 10%.
Yes.
All right, let's go with our full boxes. We're gonna go. I'll go in the middle.
Now you'll notice a gap between
There's this little gap.
but that is the same exact size of the headers. So
that's for your headers.
Because that's how the old Happy Planners used to have those thick headers, and they don't have them anymore.
I can show them right here.
You can.
That you put your glitter header.
Or any header.
Or any header there.
And there you go. See?
And that makes it so festive for the 4th of July.
It is thebomb.com.
It is.
I'm being made fun of. Yeah, I'm being made fun of silently by my boyfriend.
And he's squeaking my chair.
He is squeaking her chair. So that if you hear squeaks, he is talking to you.
My chair needs WD-40.
Y2K. My chair needs Y2K. Hot party. Hot party.
I love this.
This is party.
Very festive.
Well, it's the 4th of July. It has to be festive. Otherwise it would be the boring of July. Which they don't call it that, so it's festive.
Yeah.
There's something in my leg. It's called skin.
I like that so far.
She likes the skin on my leg. It's pretty. So what are you going to do with the other boxes?
Well, there's this box here,
Oh no, I meant
and
the
it's going to
boxes.
go up on this
I
corner.
meant the boxes on the paper.
Oh,
Yeah.
like that.
That's all.
Like so.
Those testicles.
And that's one sheet empty.
Oh my goodness.
And then I think
Therefore I
4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do red all the way across.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And Mom never used to use the glitter headers I made. She'd
But this
always
is so
keep that sheet.
festive.
Yeah. For like holidays, I think you should use the glitter headers.
Yeah.
You in particular. Other people can use them whenever they want. But you should use them for holidays and birthdays. Like when somebody's birthday rolls around, I should make purple and lime green in a kit. That's going to have to be a thing.
Yeah.
Because that's somebody's favorite color combo. And he's going to be old soon.
It's going to be 31.
Oh my God, she said your age. 61, he says. Because we round by 30 years.
I'm an old man now.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm going to save these for when I go to the next boxes. Here. Alright.
The full box checklists go on which part? The bottom or the top?
Well, I'm going to put them kind of random.
Oh my God, she's going out of the box.
I am. Here.
Yeah, I do like the colors of this kit, even though it is pretty traditional. It's still pretty.
It is. For a traditional coloring, it's very different. It's
Yeah.
not the same as any old bodies. So I like that a lot.
Thank you. I'm not sure I understood that. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you're only giving us 4?
I'm not done.
Oh.
You just have to relax a little bit.
You know, don't tell me to relax.
Relax.
That is a dangerous word in this house. Don't you start, boy. Sorry, Mom.
There's a man in here molesting my daughter.
Willingly, don't show her. She can't see. She's not understanding why you're showing her that. Stop. You're weird. You're gross.
Here. Alright. I used all my full boxes.
All 16 full boxes.
Man, this is so fun. Okay. So, I'm
She's
all excited.
Jinx. You owe me a soda.
You owe me a soda.
No, I said Jinx first, therefore you owe me a soda. That's how it works.
These are my half boxes.
Those are the half boxes. I didn't mean to repeat, I actually meant to say it differently, but whatever. Hey, I got a laugh out of them. Auntie. We got background music, y'all.
Don't delete this video.
No.
I may use these, I'm still waiting to see. But I am going to put a tracker over here.
She must have forgot we were recording.
Yeah. Okay.
There's Bill Do stickers too if you need one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at the matchy match. The
Yeah.
queen of matching is back. Yes.
Yeah. So I got my to-dos on top. Like that.
Ta-da.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Let me move up to
Date
Monday. My date covers. Oh, this is so festive.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
Just makes you think about fireworks, doesn't it?
It does.
It does.
Those it oaks and O's it oaks and little lambs and ivy.
A kid'll eat ivy too.
Wouldn't you?
My grandma taught me that 30 years ago. He's asking.
Oh,
Yeah.
there. Ooh, nice.
Oh.
Okay, I gotta go
the
back
washi.
to my glitter.
And then you gotta use the washi.
And I gotta put glitter under here. And 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. So I think I'm gonna go with the dark blue glitter here. And then the either the light blue or the gray there. We'll see.
Does eat oats, and goats eat oats, and little lambs eat ivy. A kid will eat ivy too, wouldn't you? And it goes, does eat oats, and goats eat oats, and the lambs eat ivy. A kid will eat ivy too, wouldn't you? My grandma taught me that.
Excuse me, guys. My allergies are coming up.
That's pretty.
I like it.
I do too. It kind of finishes it off.
It pops.
And it finishes it off.
Yeah.
Because that
Pink,
annoying
that
gap is
pink
annoying.
line. I don't like the pink line.
I don't like the gap
Yeah.
that they've made.
There. Oh, nice. That looks really nice. So I think I'm going to go
Silver.
silver, huh?
Silver.
I'll do the silver down below.
Just to make it, you know, more patriotical.
Yeah.
And yes, that was patriotical.
Yeah, whatever that
That's
was.
mine. It's fine.
So I've been watching this movie Stranger Things.
It's a show
I've been watching this show Stranger Things
on Netflix.
on Netflix, and I'm really enjoying it. I think the only thing I'm not too keen on is that it's
Children.
children. Yep.
I know.
There.
People's little babies getting hurt.
Yeah. Kidnapped by aliens. At least I think they're aliens. I don't know what else to think that they are. Although I haven't seen any alien ships.
Could be a mongoose.
Or another dimension.
Could be kidnapped by mongooses.
That's
Gorgeous.
so cool.
That's
I love it.
developed.
It is. Excuse me. My nose is going to do what it's going to do. So we have the first. And wasn't there an appointment on Tuesday?
No. Yes, there was. Yes, it was at 11:30. It's because I'm thinking this is next week when this is this week.
Yeah. Alright. But no more appointments for the rest of the week. That's cool.
That's pretty. You should use the washi before you finish.
I am going to use the washi.
As it was recommended by the kit maker. And it's starry. It's a
Yeah.
blue starry washi. Oh, yes, that's the piece de resistance.
It's the finishing touch, isn't it?
Yes. Pièce de resistance. I can't say that at all.
Oh
I'm
no.
going to try not to anymore. Oh dear. Yes. Look at that.
I love it.
Look at that.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.